In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to access a Keynote on an iPad with VoiceOver running. So I am in Keynote and I'm on the home screen and I am looking for the All About Me presentation that we just created. So I can right swipe across the toolbar and everything at the top, or I can simply drag straight down on the left hand side. And I know the first thing I'm going to find as I drag down is going to be Create Presentation. And since I just created All About Me, and that's the last presentation that I opened, it will be to the right of Create Presentation. So that's what I'm going to do. Starting in the top left, I'm going to drag down.
Show sidebar button.
Okay, I'm going to drag down.
Create presentation.
And I do close my sidebar. It gets to be confusing when you're using VoiceOver to have that extra information on the left-hand side. So
show sidebar.
Now I'm going to drag down.
Create presentation.
And then I'm just going to go right or swipe right.
Me. Keynote file. Today, 1:14 p.m. 7.5 MB.
There's All About
Actions
Me.
Available.
I'm going to double tap to select it.
Show sidebar. Presentations button.
Okay, so now I have on the left-hand side is the thumbnail print of all of the different slides in this deck. I want to go into the play mode. I know my play button is going to be in the toolbar across the top. So I am just going to swipe right, or I can drag right. If I swipe right, this is what I find.
View options. Undo button. All About Me.
All About Me is the title, and then that's in the middle, in the very center of the screen at the top.
Play button.
There's my play button. I'm going to double tap to activate that.
Play. Title. Text box. All About Me. Swipe up or down to select.
So now when I hit play, you lose all the thumbnails on the left-hand side. So that what the screen is showing is just the Keynote presentation. So with my title, it told me All About Me. I'm going to have to do a right swipe.
Body. Text box. Hunter 32621.
Okay.
Swipe up or down to select a custom action.
And
Then
right
double
swipe
tap to
once
body.
more.
Text box.
And I heard that thunk, meaning that there's nothing more on the page. So I'm going to turn my page using a 3-finger swipe left.
Slide 2. My name is Hunter. 3.5-year-old Hunter with a serious face. Image. Swipe up or down to select a custom.
So when I use this slide that had the picture at the top and the sentence underneath it, this slide, everything is read out loud. So the sentence, my name is Hunter, is read out loud, and it automatically goes and reads the description of the image. So now we're going to do 3-finger swipe left.
Slide 3. My family is Mommy, Daddy, and Hunter. Title. Text box. My family is Mommy, Daddy, and Hunter. Swipe up or down to select a custom.
Okay, so this slide, remember we chose to have the portrait mode of picture on the right-hand side and the text on the left-hand side. In this slide, you have to right swipe to get from the text to the image description. So just be aware when you choose your slides, if you have a young student and you just want everything read aloud, you can do that 3-finger swipe and it will go through everything without having to swipe to the image on each page. Okay, so my family is Mommy, Daddy, and Hunter. The nice thing about this setup is if you don't want to hear the image descriptions, if you just want the text, you can have the student listen to the text, swipe left, listen to the text, swipe left, and not hear the image description. All right, so we heard my family is Mommy, Daddy, and Hunter. I'm going to right swipe to hear the image description.
Mommy holding Hunter with Daddy beside us. Image. Swipe up or down to select a custom action.
Okay, so Mommy holding Hunter with Daddy beside us image. And we're going to do a 3-finger swipe left.
Slide 4. My dog is Lola. Title. Text box. My dog is Lola.
I'm going to go
Hunter
right.
and Lola sitting in the grass between 2 small American flags. Image. Swipe
Okay.
up or down to select a custom act. Slide 5. I like to play with my excavator and dump truck. Title. Text box. I like Hunter using his toy excavator to load sticks into his dump truck. Image. Slide 6. I like to eat ice cream. Title. Text box. Hunter eating an ice cream cone with his tongue sticking out and ice cream on him. Slide 7. My favorite thing about school is recess. Type. Smiling Hunter in a child's swing. Image. Swipe up or down to select a custom action.
So you notice I'm not listening to all the extra information that VoiceOver gives us. After it reads the text, I'm swiping right and going to the image description. After it's done with the image description, I'm doing a 3-finger swipe left to change the page, to turn the page.